Hello guys, this is Somen Mr. Technical Engineer at Semco Infratech. Today we are going to show you connection and operation of SI 5-channel multifunction sorting machine. This device is SI 5-channel multifunction sorting machine. This can adjust in both 18650, 21700, 26650 and 32700 type cells. This device requires AC single phase supply to 20 volt plus minus 10%, and maximum power consumption is 1 kilowatt for this device, and this requires a power pressure from 0.4 to 0.8 megapascal. So why do we use IR testers? Sorting machine with IR testers. So for making battery pack with same IR, so that our battery pack charges and discharges at same time and same rate. For this purpose we use IR testing, and for cylindrical cells it is difficult to individually check all the cells and segregate them according to their IR value. So we use this multifunction sorting machine with hierarchy IR tester to separate them according to their IR and voltage value. So, and this is a multifunction type, so you can use up to 30 to 700 all types of cells for sorting. So you can see we have connected here our single phase supply, and here is the pressure gauge is connected here. You can see our pressure is showing 0.5 megapascal, and here is the MCB for this device. So for starting, so you can see inside the machine there is this IR tester. So this device will test the IR and voltage for this IR sorting machine, and this is the for automation this PLC is used. This is Mitsubishi PLC, and you can see this is the driver we are using for automation. And here you can see this is our wheel. We need to change for different setting of cell. So for right now this is connected in 18650 type cell. So we will test with our 18650 type cells. This is the cell tray. So here we have to put our cells. So for manual testing of these connections, we have to go here, and here you can see this axis jog plus jog minus is given. So this is for the wheel movements. So when I press this jog plus minus, our wheel will move, rotate. You can see our whole wheel is moving when I press this jog. And here you can set what is the position and velocity for our wheel movement. And here you can see this select axis jog. This is for this belt movement. This jog is given for select axis. So when I press this jog, you can see our belt is moving, and here you can also set here this position and speed of the jog. And here you can see there is select cylinder. This is for moving of these cylinders. You can see here this is the movement of the cylinder for pushing the cells into the tray. And here there is another switch for trigger cylinder. So this one is for this punching of the needles in IR tester. So when I click on this trigger cylinder, you can see our IR tester pin is moving and punching at our cell. So here by pressing this switch, we can test if the needles are connecting or not properly with this our cell. So if not connected, so we have to set our value, and then we have to adjust this position little by little, and then trigger it and check if the IR value is showing or not. Now I will go start the process. First we have to go here parameters. Here we can see on 4 channels are visible. So these 4 are for our setting of the cells. If in here we can set our parameters of voltage and IR value according to our requirement, and the 5th one is not given here because that is for not good, means whichever cells are not within this range, those particular cells will go to 5th number channel and will be stored in that. And after you can see we have set our program for here. So in first gear we have given for 35 to 40 milliohm and voltage 3.8 to 4 volt. Similarly second gear and third gear, fourth gear, all these channels are given some similar values. And after that you have to go here setting M. Here also you can set this jog wheel position and this discharge jog position. After that you have to complete this program, and here you have to also select this tester selection. So for right now we have connected a Hioki IR tester, so we will select Hioki. Otherwise you can also select Hoptech and interchange with it to Hioki. Then we have to load this program by clicking on this recipe loading. We have to select on this give the recipe to HMI by pressing it for 1 second. Then we have to download the program to the PLC by clicking on this one also. Once done, we have to go to home, and here you can go to auto and then system reset. Now initiate. Now our process will start. So when the tray fulls, the alarm will come out and our process will continue. So now our cells are completed. So now this process is complete. So for that we have to press on stop. Now the process is stopped and we have to system reset. And here you can also monitor your IO settings by clicking on IO monitor. Here this is the normal position of all the sensors which are connected to this machine, and here is the output monitors which are connected right now. So this is all about this device, SI 5-channel multifunction sorting machine. For live demo of this device or any other device, you can visit our head office in Parparganj Industrial Area, New Delhi. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.